Okay guys, so let's get ready for today's new learning. Your learning objective today is I understand what a minute is when learning about time. So yesterday you were learning all about what a second is, and hopefully you have a good understanding of that today. Today we're learning about a new measure of time which is called a minute. Okay, now you probably have heard the word minute a lot more than you would have heard the word second because we use it a lot. I'll say things like we have 10 minutes and then we are tidying up because we have to go to assembly. Or I might say we are now going to go and get ready for lunch because lunchtime is in 5 minutes. Okay? We use the word a lot, but we might not know what it actually means yet, and that's okay because that's what we're going to be learning about today, okay? So today your learning objective is, hopefully at the beginning, if you're unsure what a minute is, by the end of today's learning, you're going to have a good idea of what a minute is. All right, let's get going. Okay guys, so just like yesterday when I showed you on my stopwatch, I showed you visually so that you could watch 1 second pass. Today I'm going to show you 1 minute, okay? This is on my stopwatch on my phone. You guys watch really carefully and think about comparing it. Remember, comparing is looking at what's the same, what's different between a second that we were working on yesterday and a minute that we're working on today. Okay, let's give it a go, guys. Now, I know you're watching, but I just wanted to jump in here. Watch as the numbers get smaller, okay? So 47, 46, 45, that is decreasing second by second, okay? So it is counting 60 seconds in total. Okay, if you watch really carefully, it will have changed the number 60 times because there are 60 seconds in a minute. Okay, so keep watching and think about the amount of time. Okay guys, so as I just jumped in there, today we're learning about 1 minute, and as I just told you, there are a total of 60 seconds in a minute. So that would mean sitting here and doing 1 potato, 2 potato, 3 potato, 4 potato, 5 potato, going on and on and on until we get to the number 60. Okay, so there are 60 seconds in a minute. 60 seconds in a minute. 60 seconds in a minute. How many seconds are there in a minute? 60. How many seconds are in a minute? 60. Okay, guys? So, 60 seconds make a minute. Yesterday we did 1 second, 1 potato. That's 1 second. But in 1 minute, there are 60 seconds. Okay, so it's a much longer amount of time. We talk about minutes a lot more. I might say, like I said earlier, I might say will be 3 minutes and we've got 5 minutes left. We talk a lot more in minutes because it's a longer amount of time than a second. You can get a few more things done in a minute. Okay, but now we're going to listen to the same song from yesterday, guys, for 1 minute. How many seconds are in a minute? 60. Okay, so we're going to listen to this song for 60 seconds instead of 1 second because there are 60 seconds in a minute. So I actually am going to put up first the 1 second to remind you. So how it sounded when we listened to it for 1 second, and then how it sounds when we listen to it for 1 minute. Okay? 1 second. That was 1 second. Now let's listen to it for 1 minute. Watch the seconds go higher and higher until they reach 60, okay? Because there's 60 seconds in a minute. So watch the seconds. 1 potato, 2 potato. You can time along if you want, but you can watch it on the screen, okay? Okay, so that was 1 minute. First of all, how sad that the beat didn't drop yet. I think the beat drops at about 1 minute and 1 or 2 seconds, guys. So that was just really, really unfortunate because I was waiting. I was getting ready to do a good dance, but never mind, that's all right. So you can tell the difference, how much longer a minute is. We know it's 60 times longer than 1 second, but you feel like you can get a lot more done during that time. Okay, so yesterday I supported you a bit with your task, but today I'm really going to challenge you guys, okay? It's more of an investigation today, and I would like you to investigate doing lots of different tasks, lots of different activities, whatever you can think of in your day, maybe things that you're already going to do, like brush your teeth, eat your dinner, smile at your family, high five somebody, all of these things that you can do. And I want you to make a note of what you can do in under 1 minute and what things you do that take you more than 1 minute. Now, it might be that you challenge yourself and time yourself and see how quickly you can do it. So it might be that it's bedtime and you need to put your pajamas on, and you could get somebody to time you to see if you can get all of your pajamas on in under 1 minute. Okay, then you can make a note of it in there. But if it takes you longer than a minute, that's okay. You can pop it into here, okay? It might be that you jump on the spot 20 times. Can you get that done in under 1 minute, or will it take you more than 1 minute? Okay, I'm gonna think of some other little challenges to give you. But if you get started on this, if you can investigate, do you think you're going to get most things done in under 1 minute, or will most things take you more than 1 minute that you do in your day? That is the question that I want you to answer. Do most things take under 1 minute, or do most things take more than 1 minute? Okay? And if you can write up in your book, you can draw your book out like this if you want, and then you can write about what you found. You can write what you think's going to happen. You can make a prediction. So with the information that you already have, you know what a minute is and you know what longer than a minute is. Could you make a prediction and see what's going to take you more than 1 minute, or do you think that most things will take more than 1 minute? I don't know. It's your investigation, guys. You investigate it, you find it out, you make a note in your books, and please feel free to let me know what you came up with, because I'm really excited about this and I really want to know what you guys got up to. Okay, I'm gonna put on the next little bit some ideas for you guys to go away with, but this is your investigation, so you do it how you like. Okay, good luck. Okay guys, so your challenge after you've done your investigation is to have a competition with some people in your house, and I want you to time yourselves and count. So you're going to time yourselves for 1 minute, and you're going to see who can do the most hops in 1 minute, who can do the most star jumps in 1 minute, who can... what else could we do? Who could do the most bunny hops in 1 minute? All of these different things. So it might be that you have pens and paper, and it might be who can write their name the most times in 1 minute. Okay, so 1 minute challenges, guys. You can think of some yourself, or you can use some of mine. Give it a go. Let me know how you get on.